I think the public have just been fantastic in the way that they've tried to follow the guidance and done their very best. But I do think, obviously, as months and months go by, people's patience understandably starts to wear thin. So all I'm saying to everybody is, look, you know, we've got tough weeks to come now. It's clearly, we've got, as you rightly say, we've got the virus really surging. It's vital, in addition to the tough tiering that we've put in, the further measures that we may very well have to take, it's vital that everybody now does their bit together.
On those further measures, this morning the Health Secretary said the old tier system is no longer strong enough. So what further restrictions will be put in place?
Well, I'm going to obviously ask you to wait, and we will be producing everything that we think is necessary to keep people from spreading the virus. If you think about it, we've already got a lot of the country in Tier 4, some of it in Tier 3. What we've been waiting for is to see the impact of the Tier 4 measures on the virus, and it's a bit unclear still at the moment. But I think there's, you know, if you look at the numbers, there's no question that we're going to have to take tougher measures, and we'll be announcing those in due course. So back in March, one of the things that I look back on with the greatest misgivings was the closure of primary schools, because it's so important for young people to get an education, and the difference it can make to their lives being in school and not being in school at that age is really very, very important. So that's why closing primary schools is I think for all of us, is a last resort, and postponing the opening of primary schools is a last resort, and that's why we're looking at everything else we can possibly do to avoid that, given the social, the damage, the educational damage that is done.